National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County and southeastern Michigan until 9:30 p.m. At 8:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carlton to near Monroe, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Monroe around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Newport, Estill Beach, Schofield, South Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Detroit Beach, and Rockwood. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan. Here is
in effect now for southwestern Wayne County until 9:45 tonight.
Shine a light on the family journey that led
This
to
great
you.
baseball is
Detailed DNA results and family history
Baseball, and the Mets bounce back to find a way to beat.
Proud to support Antiques Roadshow.
Time is 8:54. We'll check your money from Bloomberg in 1 minute.
I'm Ed Evans, CEO of Consumer Cellular. No, we're not one of the big guys. Truth is, we don't want to be. If you're over 50, Big Wireless probably has you paying for more data than you might need. You could be throwing away thousands over a lifetime.
Our entry-level data